Hi, my name is Prune and I would love to share an exercise with you of how to nourish the heart. This energy and consciousness exercise is amazing when really you feel low, when you feel sad, when you feel just flat. When that happens energetically, the amazing vitality and joy of the heart isn't being carried through the body system. So this exercise helps connect the heart back into its many systems that support it. And one of the things I'd really encourage you with this exercise is don't effort with it. You don't have to think positive. You don't have to do anything other than allow your hands, your body to work to connect back into the way that it is hardwired to be. Your body system knows how to be well. It knows how to be healthy and vital. And when you move away from those patterns, it's simply that there's a little glitch in your energy system at that point, usually one that's come out of great wisdom, a response to a situation. Now we want that glitch to actually come back into the cohesion of the energy system. So let's go ahead and do this exercise, and please hold that space of ease with this one. We're going to cross the hands and you're going to pop them into your armpits. You can have your thumb resting on your chest if that's comfortable for you, or you can tuck your thumb in your armpits as well. And from here, I would encourage you to do this exercise sitting down or even lying down. Allow your system to feel supported. So let's take some breaths here. And as you breathe, see if you can find a gentle sway or a rock in your body. You know that your heart beats several times a minute and it produces a rhythm in the body. When you were a baby inside your mother's womb, you would have grown to the rhythm of her heartbeat. And any time we pick up rhythmic movement, then our heart feels nourished. For some of you, it might be a forward and a backwards rocking, and that's totally fine. For others, like I was moving, it will be more of a side to side action. And it might change. So you're just going to allow your body to find its rhythm, to allow the heart to express this basic fundamental pulse. This is also beautiful for releasing stress from the system. When you're ready, you're going to come and place one hand over the area where the chest and the throat meet, and the other hand, you're going to simply place your palm on your forehead. The heel of your hand can be towards the bridge of your nose, and then the fingers, just allow them to wrap up and over the hairline and rest on your head. And you can allow your breath just to find its ease, its peace. We're working with powerful access points into the energy of your body to connect the heart into the places in your system where it remembers its joy, it remembers your natural vitality. And when you're ready, you can just relax your arms. It's a beautiful one to do. If you're sitting down, I'd encourage you to put your elbows on your thighs or your knees, or if maybe you're on a table, you can just rest your elbows on the table. If you're in bed, have some kind of cushions under your arms so that you could hold that for as long as you wish. Beautiful. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.